If you are currently studying in class 12 and you dream of becoming an engineer in Japan, then this video is the one that you can look forward to. Many students know about the MEXT scholarship for university or research programs, but very few people know that there is a special track where you can go to Japan and study engineering in a unique Japanese system called Kosen. In this video, I will explain the MEXT Kosen Scholarship 2027 in full details. We will talk about the difference of Kosen from undergraduate track, the eligibility criteria for Kosen, the required documents, the field of studies, the majors, the selection process, and more. All the information in this video is based on the official embassy notification and application guidelines of previous year, so you will understand exactly how it works. If you are interested in engineering, technology, robotics, or computers, the Kosen track can be an incredible opportunity to start your technical career in Japan at a very young age. So in this video, let's understand everything you need to know about the MEXT Kosen Scholarship 2027. First of all, what is Kosen? The Japanese word Kosen is a short form of Koto Senmon Gakko, which means higher specialized school or advanced technical school, or more specifically, College of Technology. Kosen colleges in Japan are designed for practical engineers, not purely theoretical students. These schools are designed to train students in specialized technical fields like engineering, computer science, robotics, etc., combining high school and early college education in an integrated 5-year program. Generally, international students start from the third year of the Kosen program after completing the grade 12 of school in his or her home country. That means skipping the first and the second years of the Kosen course. There are altogether 51 national colleges of technology. So the Kosen colleges are called NITs in Japan, National Institutes of Technology, and there are total 55 campuses spread across the length and breadth of Japan. So what is the difference between undergraduate and Kosen then? So we have tried to summarize on the basis of different aspects, undergraduate versus Kosen. So undergraduate is Bachelor of Engineering and Kosen is kind of diploma and advanced diploma from a college of technology. When it comes to distinguish between the two from an educational system point of view, then undergraduate is the traditional university education that leads to a bachelor degree, whereas Kosen is technical college system focused on practical training, and it is more like a diploma course or an advanced diploma course, and further studies can make it equivalent to a bachelor degree as well. Institution type is universities for undergraduate, and for Kosen it is National Institute of Technologies. Discussing undergraduate versus Kosen, the next aspect is the typical career path. For undergraduate, it will be research, higher studies, or advanced engineering roles, whereas Kosen graduates move into industrial engineering and technical specialist roles. Now, which one is better for which kind of students? So students who enjoy theoretical study, mathematics and academic learning should go towards the undergraduate courses, and students who enjoy building things, experimenting and more focused on the hands-on engineering, they should opt for Kosen. Ideal personality. So students who are academically inclined and interested in research or advanced degrees should opt for undergraduate, and students who are curious about machines, electronics, robotics and practical technology should choose Kosen track. Learning style. More theoretical and academic for undergraduate and more practical, lab oriented and project based for Kosen. Focus of undergraduate is academic engineering education, whereas the focus of Kosen is applied engineering and technical skills. Classroom versus lab. More lectures and theory in undergraduate, more workshops, labs, and hands-on training in Kosen. So this table clearly distinguishes between undergraduate and Kosen. So now you can decide which one suits you best, which one you are more inclined to, and accordingly you should apply either undergraduate or Kosen as per your interest and skills. Next is degree upon completion of a Kosen course. So A regular Kosen course is 5 years after junior high. That means after class 10. But when we talk about the MEXT scholarship, we get scholarship only for 3 years. That means we can start after 12th. So the third, fourth, and fifth year of Kosen will be attended by a MEXT scholar. And that will lead to an associate degree, which is similar to a diploma in our home country. A diploma in India is equivalent to this associate degree that you will get after completing the Kosen course. It is called associate degree in engineering. And there is a Kosen advanced course as well, which will require additional 2 years and which can earn you a bachelor's degree equivalent. And you will get the Bachelor of Engineering degree after completing those 2 years. That means if you complete a 5 years course, like after 12th, there will be 5 years after the 12th grade. So what are the application tracks for Kosen? So it can be divided into broadly two categories. First is the MEXT Embassy Recommendation Track with full scholarship from the government of Japan, which includes everything like the tuition fees, the accommodation, the living expenses, then the to and fro airfare, and all sorts of costs that you will incur will be paid by the government of Japan. It covers each and everything. The application period is generally April and May. So since we are talking about the April 2027 admissions, so for that you need to apply when the notification is out this year, that is 2026, in the month of April, May. The other track is direct application track, and in which you apply directly to the NITs individually. This has been discussed in a previous video related to Kosen. You can watch that video, and I will, for your easy reference, I will put the link of that video in the description section of this video. So in this video, we shall talk about the MEXT Embassy track only, because we are focusing on MEXT 2027 admissions now. So what are the fields of study and majors under Kosen? So there are several fields of study. These are listed from A to H: mechanical engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, information, communication and network engineering, materials engineering, architecture, civil engineering, maritime engineering, and other fields. And each of these field of study has a number of majors listed. So this is given in an annexure called majors and related key terms for fields of study. So we have tried to give screenshots from that document. So under mechanical engineering, there is machine elements and material processing, materials science and mechanics, fluid and thermal engineering, mechanical system design and control, computer aided design or computer aided manufacturing, mechatronics, robotics. Under electrical and electronic engineering, there is analog circuits, electric power system, power electronics, digital electronics, integrated circuits, electric electronic materials, electric electronic devices, electric electronic control. Then we have the next field of study as information, communication and network engineering, under which the different majors are signal image processing, cable communication, wireless communication, communication engineering, satellite communication, microwaves, computer software, computer graphics, operating system, peripherals and interface technology, computer network, and communication control. Under materials engineering field of study, the majors are metallurgical engineering, inorganic materials engineering, organic materials engineering, polymer chemistry, chemical engineering, biological chemistry, biological engineering, and environmental engineering in material science and engineering. Architecture, architectural design and drawing, structural engineering in architecture, building structures, building materials and execution works, architectural history and design, architectural planning, structural mechanics in architecture, architectural environmental engineering, city planning. Under civil engineering, we have structural engineering in infrastructures, geotechnical engineering, materials in civil engineering and infrastructure constructions, hydraulic engineering, environmental engineering, reduction of environmental burden, city planning, traffic engineering, disaster prevention engineering, and constructions management. Maritime engineering. Under this field of study, the majors are navigation, position fixing, ship maneuvering and seamanship, oceanography and meteorology, maritime laws, naval architecture, marine diesel engine, marine auxiliary machinery, marine material, international communication, and management information engineering. So the other fields, the last two, international communication and management information engineering, belongs to the category H of field of study, which is other fields. So these were the fields of study and majors from which you have to select three in the application form. So the eligibility criteria for Kosen is the age limit must be less than 25 years on April 2027. That means the day when the course actually begins. On that day, you should be less than 25 years of age. Educational requirements, at least 11 years of formal schooling, academic performance, at least 65% marks in grade 12. If you have completed grade 12, then minimum 65% marks you should have obtained. And if you do not have your grade 12 result at the time of the application, then 65% marks is required in grade 10, along with a provisional document from the current school that certifies that you are expected to score more than 65% in grade 12. If you know Japanese, or if you have a Japanese proficiency certificate, JLPT, even if it is N5, you will get preference over other candidates. Period of scholarship. The scholarship period will last for 4 years, including 1 year preparatory education in the Japanese language and other subjects due to be provided upon arrival in Japan. For scholarship grantees majoring in maritime engineering, the scholarship period will be 4.5 years. And extension of period of scholarship. If a grantee graduates from a National Institute of Technology Kosen is admitted for enrollment in an advanced course at a National Institute of Technology Kosen or in a Japanese National University as a third year transfer student and has outstanding academic achievement that meets certain criteria, he or she may have the period of his or her scholarship extended upon successful examination by MEXT. This is called transfer students enrolled at a public or private university are ineligible. That means if you want to proceed with advanced Kosen after the completion of the regular Kosen, you still have the chance to get your MEXT scholarship extended to by 2 more years. What is the selection procedure? The Japanese diplomatic missions, that is the embassy, will conduct the first screening of applicants by means of examination of submitted application documents, written academic examinations, and interviews. That means first will be document screening, then written tests, and if you are shortlisted, you will be interviewed. Now, what comprises the written tests? The subjects of written academic examinations to be taken by all applicants for all the fields. So depending on the field of study, you have to appear in certain subjects. So as you can see here, if the field of study is materials engineering, then you need to appear for Japanese, English, mathematics, and chemistry. If you are belonging to other fields, category H, then English, Japanese, mathematics, and either chemistry or physics, depending on which is that other field. And for rest everyone, it is Japanese, English, mathematics, and physics. So calculators and other devices may not be used during the written examinations. So you have to prepare for Japanese, English, mathematics, and physics, and chemistry may also be there if you fall under those specific categories of D and H. Now, what are the application documents that are needed? So we recently discussed about in detail about the academic transcripts, certificates, and recommendation letters. So apart from these three documents, you need the application form to be filled up, medical certificate, and some other supplementary information as given on the application guideline. So when the formal notification of admissions to 2027 is released by the embassy, we will look over the application guidelines and how to fill the application form in detail. Since we are taking reference of 2026, so I'm not going into that because those may slightly change this year. So this is just to give you a preliminary idea about the application process and how Kosen works. I am giving this, but we will look into the details of application procedure and application form filling when the official notification for 2027 is out. So Now, how to increase your chances of selection in document screening and interview rounds. This is the most important thing. So far we discussed about the overview of the MEXT Kosen Scholarship for 2027. As you can see, the Kosen track is a unique opportunity for students who are genuinely interested in engineering and technology. Now the big question is, how do you increase your chances of getting selected? So in the next video, I will explain that the strategies, the preparation tips, and hidden factors that can significantly improve your chances of getting selected, and also those areas which you should avoid to avoid the chances of rejection at the document screening level itself or at the interview. So stay tuned to watch that video, which I will be posting very soon. And thank you very much for watching this video. Should you have any questions, please feel free to post a comment in this video. Alternatively, you can write to me at saraljapani@gmail.com. So thanks for watching. Till we meet again in the next video. Goodbye and keep preparing for the upcoming MEXT scholarship applications. Arigato gozaimasu. Mata imasho.